How to see my league on FPL. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to see your league on Fantasy Premier League, then watch this video till the end. The first thing you want to do is download and install the PL app on your device. For that, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Premier League official app. Tap on the install button and have this app installed on your device. Now, open the application and make sure to sign into your Fantasy Premier League account. Once that is done, tap on the Fantasy option. Now, if you want to see your league, all you have to do is get over to the points section. Now scroll down and here you will have the leagues and cups section. Now you will have the general leagues here. These are the leagues that you are currently participating into. You can also find your rank over here. The green indicates that you are moving up in the rank. The red indicates that you are moving down. If you want to find more details on the league, simply tap on it and you will get more information. If you want to see the leagues that you have created, it is going to be at the top. If you want to join league, simply tap on the join league option, and from here you can very easily join into a new league. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.